Alright, let's start with case number 3, which is the non-repeated quadratic factor in our topic, which is the integration of partial fraction, which is under in another integration techniques. So once again, we are on case 3, non-repeated quadratic factor. So in this case, our very main goal is to look for the factor sa denominator, right? So remember in your previous mathematics, if you are going to uh, use partial fractions, you will get the coefficients so that our equation will be simpler. So same with this kind of problem. So just simply copy the numerator, that's x squared minus x minus 21 all over 2x cubed minus x squared plus 8x minus 4. So what are we going to do so that, or what are we going to do sa denominator to make it factorable? So in Math Plus, we were taught factoring, right? So by grouping. Okay, this is obvious that it's by grouping because of how many terms that we have here. So for the first group, we can group x squared, we can factor x squared times 2x minus 1. And the other group is 4 times 2x minus 1. Okay, so therefore, this will now be equivalent to x squared minus x minus 21 all over x squared plus 4 times 2x minus 1. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that this is case number 3 since this is a quadratic equation. And the other one is a linear factor. Therefore, this is case number 3, a non-repeated quadratic factor. So to solve this problem, let's do my method. Okay, so that's x squared plus 4 times 2x minus 1 is equal to, so our first factor is 2x plus 1. So a over 2x minus 1 plus bx plus c all over x squared plus 4. So we will be getting 3 coefficients, a, b, and c. Multiply both sides by this. So this will now be x squared minus x minus 21 is equal to 8 times x squared plus 4 plus bx plus c times 2x minus 1. So simplifying, that's x squared minus x minus 21 is equal to 8ax squared plus 4a plus, so b at 2bx squared minus bx plus 2cx minus c. Okay, so at x squared, you have 1 is equal to a, okay, a plus 2b, and that's it. At x to the power of 1, you have negative 1 is equal to negative b plus 2c. And at x to the power of 0, or the constant, sa left side you have negative 21. And then on the right side, you have constants a for a. So, wala na si 4a. What's this? bc. 2bx squared. Okay, this is minus bx. Tama? 2bx squared minus bx. So, this is bx. Meron pa palang x. Ay, okay, negative b. So, erase na to. Erase. Para di tayo ma-confuse. Erase na din si 2c. ang natira is 4a minus c. Okay. So we cannot get any of the problems. However, if we're going to use the substitution method, we can get values of a, b, and c. So how are we going to do that? Okay, so if we are going to rewrite those three equations, equation 1, a plus 2b is equal to 1. Equation 2 is negative b plus 2c is equal to negative 1. Equation 3 is 4a minus c is equal to negative 21. Okay, so if we are going to substitute equation 3 to equation 2, so that is 4a plus 21 is equal to c. Okay, so that's negative b plus 2 times 4a plus 21 is equal to negative 1. So we cannot get we cannot get any constants here. So let's see how far this goes. So therefore, we can get equation, this is negative 1 minus 14, negative 43. So this is our another equation. So let's use this equation and equation 1. So this is a and b and a and b. So a plus 2b is equal to 1. Okay, so let's use elimination method here. So we can multiply, actually we can multiply it with kani siya with 2 para ma-eliminate c. b, tama ba? 4b ba ni? 2b. So therefore, this is 16a minus 2b equals negative 86, and the other one is a plus 2b is equal to 1. So, mabilin, 17a is equal to negative 85. So, our a is negative 5. Okay, so what is our b? So, we already get a. Actually, we can already get b. So, to get b, saan naman to? Okay, so to get b, we can get it using equation 1. So, para di nato ni siya malimtan, let's bilog this. So, a or negative 5 plus 2b equals 1. So, 2b is equal to 1 plus 5, or b is equal to positive 3. Okay, now we can get c. Okay, so 4a, or kanina lang para mas dali. So, negative 3 plus 2c is equal to negative 1 is equal to, 2c is equal to negative 1 plus 3, or c is equal to positive 1. So you now have 3 coefficients. So to rewrite that, you have, let's use our another slide. A over 2x minus 1, our a is 5. So negative 5 over 2x minus 1. Then our bx plus c is 3x plus 1 over x squared plus 4. So b is 3, c is 1. Okay. then do not forget dx. Okay, so let's further simplify. So negative 5 over 2x minus 1 plus 3x dx over x squared plus 4 plus dx over x squared plus 4. Alright, so for this, integration for this is we are going to let u is equal to 2x minus 1, du is equal to 2 dx. Divide both sides by 2. So, ganyan. So, matitira dito is negative 5 dx is du over 2. So, over 2. Then, du dito. And then all over 2x minus 1, which is u. Okay? Plus here, let's try u is equal to x squared plus 4. Du equals 2x dx. So, may x dx. Divide both sides by 2. So, labas natin si 3 is constant. So, x dx is du over 2. Okay, so labas natin si 2 mamaya all over u plus this one, you know that this is arctan, right? Arctan. So that's 1 over a. Ang a natin is ang constant, which is the square root of 4, which is 2. Then arctan u over a. So u natin is x, a natin is 2 plus c. Since we already integrated that one. So further simplification, it's negative 5 halves ln of u or 2x minus 1 plus 3 halves ln of x squared plus 4 plus 1 half arc tan x over 2 plus c, and that is your final answer. Okay, for the next number, example, non-repeated quadratic factor pa din po, but this is, let's see. Okay, so let's see first. 7x plus 13 dx all over. So this is x times x squared plus 9. Alright, so let's see if x squared plus 9 is factorable. I think it's not. So therefore, this is this is an example of a non-repeating quadratic factor. So therefore, this is a all over x plus bx plus c all over x squared plus 9. So take note, bx plus c po siya pag quadratic. Okay? So pag linear, it's only kanang coefficient a. Multiply both sides with x times x squared plus 9. So you have 7x plus 13 equals a times x squared plus 9 plus bx plus c times x. This one is simpler kaysa sa example 1. So ax squared plus 9 plus bx squared plus cx. Okay, at x squared, dito is 0 sa left, dito is 4, and b. Very easy. At x to the power of 1, dito is 7, dito it's c. At x0 or constant, dito is 13, and then you have, this is 9 only, 9a. Okay, so that's 13 is equal to 9. Check po natin, baka magkamali ako. Ax squared plus 9a plus bx squared plus cx. So you have the value of b and c. Therefore, it's very easy, right? This is 4a. 4 pala. Okay, so you can get values a, b, and c already here. So b is, so dito we have b is equal to negative 4 Dito, it's A is equal to 13 over 9. Tama ba? Yes, that's correct. So, we are going to rewrite that one. Very happy because it's easier. So this is A, or 13 over 9, all over x dx plus bx plus c. So negative 4 x plus c is 7, all over x squared plus 9 dx. So separate that one, that's 30. Dito, let's do this na lang. No? Then dire, that's negative 4x all over x squared plus 9 dx plus 7 dx over x squared plus 9. So again, very easy. So this is 13 over 9 ln of x. Dito, that's minus. Let u as x squared plus 9. Du equals 2x dx. So du over 2 is x dx. So labas po natin si negative 4. So minus 4 integral of, so si x dx is d over 2. Then x squared plus 9 is u. Then this one is 7 arctan. So 7 times 1 over a. So 7 times 1 over a natin is 3. Then arctan u is x over 3 plus c. So simplifying our answers, we have 13 over 9 ln of x minus 4 over 2 or 2 ln of u. U is x squared plus 9 plus 7 over 3 arctan x over 3 plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay. Let's proceed with case number 4, which is repeated quadratic. Take note, this is very hard. So for this one, that's 8dx over x times x squared plus 2. Okay. So simplifying this, you have 8dx over x times x squared plus 2. So yan na po siya, right? So that's a over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2 plus dx plus e over x squared plus 2 squared. So medyo mataas po siya because you are going to get A, B, C, D, and E. There are 1, 2, 3, 5 coefficients that we are going to look for. Okay? So we'll multiply both sides with ayan. So dito, that's 8 dx equals A times x squared plus 2 ano na lang na to, no? Plus bx plus c times x squared plus 2 plus dx plus e times x squared that's x. Okay, so that's x. So simplifying, that's 8 dx equals, this is x4 plus 2x squared plus 2x squared at 4x squared plus 4 plus bx plus c times x cubed plus 2x plus dx squared plus ex. Simplifying one more time, ax4 plus 4ax squared plus 4a plus bx to the power of 4 plus 2bx squared plus cx cubed plus 2cx plus dx squared plus ex. Okay, so medyo mataas, no? So at x cube muna tayo, 0 dito sa kabila. At x4 pala muna, no? x4 since there are 4 coefficients, a, b, c, d, e. Meron bang x5? So wala. Dito you have a plus b. That's it. So at x cube, hanap tayo ng x cube, we have c. C lang. So 0 equals c. At x squared, we have 4a. So 0 equals 4a plus 2b. And then at x to the power of 1, that's 0 equals 2c. And e. Meron pa palang d sa x squared. So lagay natin plus d. And constant. 8 equals 4. Ayan lang. Okay, so we can get a. So a equals 2. So we can get b. B equals negative 2. C is 0. CD we can get it here. So 0 equals 4 times 2 plus 2 times negative 2 plus d equals 0. So 8 minus 4 plus d equals 0. So d equals negative 4. So pilugan na ito pa rin na ito malibugon niya. No? And CE is 0. Tama ba? So C0 man. So 2 so 0. E is 0. So to rewrite, copy natin to again. A over x plus bx plus c x squared plus 2 plus dx plus e all over x squared plus 2 squared. Okay. So, yung values natin, yung a gani is 2. Plus yung b, negative 2x plus c is 0. So, negative 2x lang plus dx plus e. Negative 4x lang kay 0c. So, this is negative 4x. Negative 4x all over x squared plus 2 squared. Yes, so medyo okay lang siya. Dx. So, that's 2 over x dx minus 2x dx over x squared plus 2 minus 4 x dx over x squared plus 2 squared. So this is 2 ln of x minus, ilet nato ni siya as u so d over 2 x dx. So kawas nato si 2 Then x dx is d over 2. So 2 over 2 na siya. So mabilin diri du over u. Diri that's minus 4. Then x dx. So u is equal to x squared plus 2. Du equals 2x dx. Divide both sides by 2. So kana siya x dx is d over 2. Then over u squared. Okay. So this is 2 ln of x minus ln of u, x squared plus 2, minus 2 integral of plus c. 2 ln of x minus, ano siya is minus 2, negative 2 plus 1, u negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Okay? Or that is ano siya is plus 2 over u plus c. Okay, and this can be your final answer. Very long. How much more if ang ihatag na ko sa inyo is ang numerator niya is na x cubed or x squared, di ba? It will be longer. So that's it for today's lecture. Yes, you have to recall the lessons that we have learned from the inverse trigonometric and everything kasi that's very essential for you to get the integration of partial fractions, labo na sa quadratic equations. So sa inyong plate, it's quite long, so you guys need to help each other. Okay. So once again, that's it for today's lecture. Thank you for listening and have a very